It should be good, lakini bono gukorigereri it's politics. Onye toli na mugavana. Osonye gukupinga sera chioboga umugavana. Osonye gukorera umugavana oversight kumu expose. Trust me, magendera tayago chabuo. If anything gakonya gogoite kisiasa. Twarorere ntwarromo murondo mo MCA na aterwa magorega aliga. Ono birimbi koliki. You can agree to disagree with someone. Kaya abantu a chance to give to air their opinions. Actually, umugavana gabonete aigora matomono aigunkie ground kiagoteba elinda committee akonya abantu bae. Lakini buna nateba. Mugavana itoboni kagale funded no morai buense goita Fred Okengo Matiang'i. It's a fact. Nkomoro tole gagoncho kanelgeo mara kwet arali. Ka totigete gancho
on TV. Any statement?
That's my statement. Yes, that's my statement. And I stand for it. It's my statement, not Getembe.
Okay.
Yes, Paul Simba Arati is being funded to fight Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Na inchabono ginkoligereri okunogo itomo obomu buomo gusi. Tali ntutu achora Matiang'i. Nense ngima ya mwancha. Nense ya mosaba. Based on ebikorwa akoreta. Okoligereri he was a CS for education, security. Abantu bakarigererie track record yae Kenya ambine erozo tebeti yae mwana ino narega murigereri aintu amana koligereri bia tokaranere among the few leaders bali tobwate bali mo tukiagara ntobwate Matiang'i, ntobwate Arati, ntobwate Osoro, ntobwate a few top leaders go koligereri aba bonspi Matiang'i stands out, you know. I call it public opinion, I call it research, to arolre. Why would you fight your own? Nkiokobo kereke mambi paka marogowa, gota etokonya go insist bunole spokesman yomogusi. Spokesman yomogusi is earned, it's not given. Talinga adese ngenchobu hata a few followers, wana tongego kubuati sheepishly or blindly. Ekenege ento toko ligerelie bikorubi yao. Tunaona ideologies zako, tunaona how you treat people. Tuamanya go chande twateba arona maene ono moraina bakora omugusi. As it stands, ababonzi bakuweroka chief spokesman. None of them is qualified to be one. And I can tell you that without a doubt. On the taiyo, oligereri no Simba Arati taraika. He's a good leader bune governor. Lakini amangana yobo na garibu omugusi tato bogoreri obongo. He's not there yet because Simba gabuate Raila akaenda Zayuni. Ono Oruro, because he knows he cannot survive on his own, ochira na ande kubuati Ruto. Ntunzo ta eti kingpin yego chikoena ne secret cheta se kingpin yo monyamato. Tota etu muntu go isaransaga, o isaransa na Ruto ga, no onde koru bogerega, go sokoru roche mate ga. You know? Lancaster House, ritua etu independence ya Kenya. Every community was represented. Kere community ya tumete leader memo wakaenda Lancaster UK. Kwa independence. As it stands, those communities with bigger numbers now what leadership ga. Meaning, our small communities will never get a shot at leadership. Why is it so? It's about numbers now. In my opinion, we should have, this is a point of discussion. One delegate from every community. Mwanda muomera na unumo gusi mwate abantu tuwacholre onsaligo bune president tuwacholre Ruto tuwacholre Matiang'i kere community alete certificate with one delegate. 45 delegates chi community chitobwate waomerana wakastie ballot ya kwani kama natoko kwana it's one vote, one man one vote, meaning onye community enoke bwate 10 million people, you will forever rule. Community nchiremune abantu bia bara around 100,000 or 200,000. Lakini kumbuka leadership is about brains, not numbers. Uko biara na nabonde bwenzi yako biara. You know? It's easy. As long as you have food, emburango tuere. You know?